Hi, gamers. I'm sorry. Hey, I'm Angelica. Welcome to today's YouTube video for gamers. I know your character has unlimited response, but your back doesn't. Your back doesn't, Queen. So, we're gonna practice some yoga today. Today's class is focused on your back, shoulders, neck, and even your wrists a little bit. Just the typical muscles that get a little bit stressed out or a little bit worn down from gaming. So, let's get started. We're gonna start in Sukhasana, which is our seated position. So, crisscross applesauce, sitting up nice and tall here. Maybe bringing your hands to your knees. And we're just going to start today's class with a couple of deep breaths. So you can either drop your gaze down to the floor or gently close your eyes, whichever is most comfortable. Lengthening up through the spine. You're going to inhale through your nose. Exhale. Dropping the shoulders. Relaxing the jaw. Inhale. Taking another breath, inhale through the nose, filling the belly with air. And sighing it out. And gently just fluttering your eyelids open. And we're going to start by tenting our fingertips on our right hand. We're going to bring it down to the mat next to you. And then we're going to bring our left hand to the right side of our head. And then just gently tilt your head to the left. So our left hand is here for support. And just gently feeling a stretch in the right side of the neck. We're not yanking our head to the left, just letting it tilt. And back through center. We're going to bring our left hand down, tenting the fingertips. Inhale, lifting our right arm up. Our right hand meets the left side of the head and gently tilting the head to the right. One more breath here. Exhale back through center. And you're going to gently round your shoulders back. Bringing them in some circles. And then gently roll them forwards. Keeping the breath nice and slow today. And coming back through center. And we're going to bring our right hand down to the mat. And we're going to inhale, lifting the left arm up. Exhale, you're going to bend through the right elbow and lean to the right here. Looking up at our left arm. Inhale, reaching up with both arms. Exhale, left hand comes down. Inhale, lengthen up through your spine. And exhale, leaning to the left. Inhale, reaching up through the sky. And exhale, coming into cactus arms here. So we're bending the elbows, feeling the shoulder blades coming a little bit closer together, opening through the chest. Inhale to lift up, palms touch, exhale. Cactus arms, fingers spread wide. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, coming to cactus. And dropping the arms down. And then we're going to meet in our tabletop pose. So stacking our wrists and our shoulders here. Knees are hip distance apart. And we're going to come into some cat-cow. So you're going to inhale to drop your belly down. lifting your gaze, opening through the chest. And exhale, chin to chest, rounding through the spine. Inhale, dropping the belly, opening the chest. And exhale, up to cat pose. And just follow your breath here as you inhale, dropping the belly, lifting through the chest. As you exhale, chin to chest, rounding through the spine. One more, inhale. Exhale, lifting up. And back to center here. And then we're going to inhale. Exhale, you're going to drop the forearms down, coming into our puppy pose. So the chest comes towards the mat here. Feeling a nice stretch in the shoulders. Inhale, rolling the body forward, pressing the forearms into the mat, lifting your chest. This is Sphinx pose. So our fingertips are spread wide. Feeling a stretch in the low back here. Again, we're using the forearms to just gently press into the mat. And on your next exhale, just bringing your palms under your shoulders here. We're going to inhale to lift the body up. Exhale, big toes together, knees wide, sinking the hips down, coming into child's pose. So your arms are stretched out long in front of you, relaxing your forehead to the mat. Nice job. And you're going to inhale here. Exhale, you're going to walk your hands to the right, bringing your left palm on top of your right hand. And relaxing the head down, feeling a side body stretch. You're going to inhale. Exhale, walking the hands all the way to the left, bringing the right palm over the left hand. Exhale, sinking down. Inhale. Exhale, coming back through center, child's pose. And inhale, lifting up to our tabletop. And we're going to flip our palms so that our fingers are facing us. And you're going to inhale here. And as you exhale, you can gently rock just a little bit back towards your feet. Feeling a nice stretch in the wrists. Finding a spot that feels good. You shouldn't be wincing or having too intense of a stretch. Just finding a good spot here. Inhale, shifting the weight back forwards. And you're going to flip your hands so the backs of your hands are on the mat. And then coming back to our tabletop pose. Good job. And you're going to inhale, curling the toes under and lifting up to downward dog. Exhale. And gently walk it out here. pedaling through the feet. And then inhale, walking up to meet your hands. Exhale, forward fold. So our knees are slightly bent. You're dropping the head and the neck, letting them completely relax. Maybe you hold on to opposite elbows. Have a little ragdoll moment, sway side to side. And it's okay if our chest doesn't completely come to our thighs. This pose looks different on everybody, as does every other pose. And inhale, rising up, mini back bend. Exhale, forward fold. And then you're going to bring your right leg back. You're going to drop your right knee, untuck your right toes. We're going to come into a low lunge, so our left knee is bent. Inhale, reaching the arms up, keeping that left knee bent. Exhale, relaxing through the shoulders. When you spend a lot of time on computers, gaming or working, whatever it may be, we carry a lot of tension in this shoulder area. So just being mindful to keep them nice and loose, dropping them down, but having our strong arms here. And you can wrap the right elbow underneath your left elbow on your next breath, pressing the forearms together. Inhaling here, maybe lifting up the elbows just a little bit, and exhale, coming back to our low lunge, and then bringing the arms down. You're going to bring your left leg back to meet the right, and then we're going to swing that right foot forward, coming into a low lunge on the other side. Inhale, lifting up, exhale, relaxing the shoulders, keeping strong arms. And maybe wrapping the left elbow underneath the right. If the palms touch, they touch. If they don't, that's also great. Inhale. Maybe you lift the elbows just a little bit. And exhale. Low lunge. Drop the hands. You're going to bring that right leg back, coming to our tabletop pose. And you're going to bring your left hand to the center of the mat. And we're going to inhale, reaching that right arm up to the sky, looking up at those right fingertips. Exhale, thread the needle. Right ear towards the mat. And bringing that left arm extended if that feels good. Inhale, pressing up through the left palm. Exhale to tabletop. We're going to bring our right hand to the center of the mat this time. Inhale, lifting the left arm up. Looking up at those left fingertips. And exhale, thread the needle. So left ear comes down towards the mat. You can extend that right arm. Inhale, pressing up through the right palm. Exhale to tabletop. And we're going to cross over our ankles, roll up to a seated position. And when we're in our seated position, you're going to inhale, interlacing the fingers, pressing the palms out in front of you. Lifting your palms up to the sky. And exhale, you're going to bring your chin to your chest and round your spine here, lowering your palms out in front of you. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, chin to chest, rounding through the spine. Inhale up. And exhale. This is just a variation of our cat-cow pose that we did earlier. One more. We're going to inhale up. And exhale. Great job. And coming back to our seated position here, you can bring your palms to your knees. Gently rest them, not digging into the knees. And you can begin to lower your gaze or close your eyes. Coming back to your breath. Taking a second to thank yourself for making some time in your day to stretch and to listen to your body and your breath. Maybe placing one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest. And just noticing the way your belly rises on the inhale and how it falls each time you exhale. One more breath here. We're going to inhale through the nose. Pause at the top of the inhale and sigh it out. Thank you so much for coming to today's yoga class. I hope you had a great time, and feel free to request any yoga classes that you would like to see down below in the comment section. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.